This is a 2002 Toyota Sienna LE with 60,000 miles. It has a rear handicap lift, which I'll show you in just a second. In wonderful condition, senior owned. Amazing service records. We have like over 55 service records on this thing. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Okay, so you have a Joey lift. I'll show you how it operates. Got this little control right here. Turn it on, and it comes out. And it comes out. And it drops down. Okay, and it goes back up. This lift alone is like $4,000 installed. So that's how that works. Not a door ding or a scratch on this van, in very, very good condition. You'll never guess it was a 2002, and yes, it really does have 60,000 miles. The tires are in great shape. The vehicle is running. It has cloth seats, like new. No rips, stains, or wear marks. We have the instructions for the lift, Carfax report, AM, FM, CD, 60,000 miles, no cracked dash, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. The doors are manual. We do have the other seat if you want it. We left it out for people. It's out so someone can store their wheelchair. So this is a 2002 Toyota Sienna LE, 60,000 miles, in amazing condition with a rear handicap lift. Needs absolutely nothing, in wonderful condition.